kids! Let's learn indoor and outdoor activities. Are you ready? This is Tommy the cat. Tommy loves having fun inside and outside. Let's explore together.
Reading is fun. Indoor activities can be calm and cozy. Books help us learn new things.
Color and draw. Kick the ball. Look at the kite fly high.
Plants need water and sunshine.
Let's sing together. Read and draw inside the house. Play outdoors and run around. Fly a kite up in the sky. Watch the little birds fly by. Indoor, outdoor, fun each day. Learn and laugh and jump and play. Now, kids, what do you like more? Indoor fun or outdoor play? Great job, kids! Tommy loved playing with you. See you next time!